Swadikap. Hello, welcome to Thailand Expat Language School. Today I'm going to teach you 5 very common Thai questions. Thai people use this question every day, especially when chatting with friends. The good news is Thai questions are short, simple, and very practical. Let's learn them through one real life situation. Are you ready? Let's get started. Imagine this situation. You want to invite a friend to go out tonight, maybe for dinner, coffee, or a movie. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? In Thai, we say ตอนนี้ยุ่งไหมตอนนี้ยุ่งไหม So Thai people often start a conversation with this question. It's polite, friendly, and very natural. ตอนนี้ mean right now. ยุ่ง mean busy. And then ไหม is the question marker. ตอนนี้ยุ่งไหม Are you busy right now? And if you want to ask, are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? คืนนี้ mean tonight. คืนนี้ free ว่าง or free or available. It's ว่าง in Thai. คืนนี้ว่างไหม So this sentence is perfect when you want to invite someone or make a plan. Are you coming? Are you coming? In Thai we say จะมาไหม จะ will มา come ไหม is the question marker จะมา will come จะมาไหม Are you coming? Thai people usually don't say long sentences. This short question sounds very natural in real conversation. Are you ready? Are you ready? So are you ready in Thai? พร้อมยังพร้อม mean ready and yang is mean like yet in Thai. Yang in English it mean like yet. พร้อมยัง It's like ready yet? Are you ready yet? Are you ready? พร้อมยัง This is used when you are about to leave or waiting for someone. พร้อมยัง And are you done? Are you done? In Thai เสร็จยัง เสร็จ mean done เสร็จยัง เสร็จ mean like done or like finish. Are you done? So เสร็จยัง you can use this when you are waiting for someone to finish work, get dressed, or eat. In Thai, adding ไหม make a question, and ยัง mean yet. That's why Thai question are short and easy to remember. ไหม so ไหม with high tone. ไหม กินไหม มาไหม alright, easy, right? Try using these 5 questions today. They work in real life, chat messages, and spoken Thai. If you can use this naturally, you already sound much more like a Thai speaker. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. สวัสดีครับ